To open safe mode on Redmi Pad 2, first of all you have to start by switching off your device. So we have to click and hold the power key and the volume up button and just simply slide to power off. Right now when the tablet turns off we have to use also two buttons combination. So we have to click and hold the power key and the volume up button at the same time. So take a look. When the Mi logo pop-ups on the screen, we have to release this power key and keep holding volume up button. Now just be patient and wait. There we go. As you can see now we are in the recover mode and we can simply go to the save mode. If the touchscreen is not working, you have to navigate by using volume down button, and if you want to enter for the save mode, click on the power key. And now just wait until the device turns off back. It will be boot into the safe mode. And that's basically it for this video. Thanks for watching.